Introduction. Welcome to Motorcycle Reviews. Today, we're talking about a bike that doesn't chase hype, doesn't need flexing, and still dominates Indian roads year after year, the Hero Splendor. Why Hero Splendor exists? The Splendor was never built to impress spec sheet warriors. It was built to work. Daily commute, bad roads, heavy usage, minimum complaints. This bike was designed for the real world, not Instagram reels. Mileage and running cost. This is where the Splendor destroys almost everything else. Outstanding mileage, extremely low maintenance, cheap and easily available parts. If your priority is saving money long-term, anything else is emotional spending. Reliability and longevity. Splendor engines are known to run for years with basic servicing. No complicated electronics, no fragile tech, just proven engineering that refuses to quit. That's why mechanics love it and owners trust it blindly. Comfort and daily use. Upright riding position, lightweight, smooth clutch, perfect for traffic and long daily rides. It's not exciting, but it's stress-free, and that matters more when you ride every day. Brand value and resale. Hero Splendor resale value is insanely strong. Even after years of use, it sells fast. That alone tells you how much confidence the market has in this bike.